Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download or install the Binance app on your iOS device. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your internet is connected and it's secure. Internet, and let's open the App Store. In the search bar above, you can just type in the keyword Binance, and you can find various options available here. One with the Binance icon, you can just, tap in here, watch some screenshots and reviews, and tap Get to start the download process. This will open a prompt where you have to verify your identity with Face ID or Touch ID. After that, the download process has started. This may take a few minutes to get downloaded on your device. Till then, wait patiently. And finally, guys, our Binance app has been installed on our iOS device. We can just click to open this app and explore it. If you already have an account, you can log into Binance. Otherwise, you can just sign up. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, guys. We will bring more of this type of content in the upcoming days. So, make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.